Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Learn Technology in 5 Minutes by MakerDemi.
This is Naveen and part of the instructor team at MakerDemi.
In this episode, we will compare the ESP32 with its latest version ESP32-S2. ESP32-S2 is a highly integrated low-power single-core Wi-Fi microcontroller designed to be secure and cost-effective. It has high performance and has good I/O capabilities. ESP32-S2 consists of a good set of peripherals with 43 programmable GPIOs which can be flexibly configured to provide USB OTG, LCD interface, camera interface, SPI, I2S, UART, ADC, DAC and other common functionalities which are available in the ESP32. Now let us compare both of these boards. The Wi-Fi bandwidth is the same for both these boards, that is 2.4 GHz at 150 MB per second. However, the S2 has an 802.11 MC fine timing measurement which enables it to measure the access point's distance. The Wi-Fi power consumption is more in ESP32 when it wakes up, while the new ESP32S2 maintains a low power consumption during the light sleep mode. This allows the Wi-Fi connection to stay active during this period, and this feature of ESP32S2 is very useful in low-powered projects. The ESP32 uses a dual-core processor called the Extensa LX6 processor, while the ESP32S2 is a single core and uses the Extensa LX7 processor, which is faster than the LX6. The processing speed of the dual core of ESP32 ranges from 160 to 240 MHz. While the single-core ESP32S2 has a processing speed of 240 MHz and is capable of doing more floating point operations compared to ESP32. We cannot use the ESP32S2 in applications which require two cores. In such cases, the dual core of ESP32 is more useful. The ESP32S2 has an extra ultra-low power coprocessor as compared to ESP32 and a set of new security features. The ultra-low power coprocessor is designed as a simplified low power replacement of CPU in sleep modes. It also supplements the functions of the CPU during normal working mode. The ESP32S2 has a secure boot flash encryption of 4096-bit OTP and an ESP32 has only 1024-bit OTP for a secure boot flash encryption. Now let us look into the memory configurations of both these boards. The static RAM of an ESP32 can provide a total memory of 520 kilobytes, while the ESP32S2 provides a total memory space of 320 kilobytes only for static RAM. The ROM memory space for an ESP32 is 448 kilobytes, while it is only 128 kilobytes in the case of an ESP32S2. The real-time clock RAM for both the ESP32 and the ESP32S2 is 16 kilobytes. This has not been changed. The ESP32 and ESP32S2 both use external SRAM for controlling the SPI peripherals. The ESP32 can use up to 16 MB as an external SPI RAM memory space, while the ESP32S2 can use up to 128 MB as SPI RAM memory space. Now let us compare the peripherals of ESP32 and ESP32S2. The ESP32 has 34 GPIO pins while ESP32S2 has 43 GPIO pins. That is, the S2 has 9 additional GPIO pins. The other peripherals are almost similar. The major differences that are present are 1. ESP32S2 has 2 UART while ESP32 has 3. ESP32S2 does not have a Bluetooth module like the ESP32. 3. The ESP32 has a CAN, Control Area Network Bus, while there is none in an ESP32S2. 4. The ESP32 did not have a native USB support, while the ESP32S2 has this feature. 5. ESP32 has a Hall effect sensor and 10 touch sensors, while the ESP32S2 only has 14 touch sensors and has no Hall effect sensor in it. 6. We can interface LCD and camera in an ESP32S2, while this option is not present in an ESP32. Thus, the ESP32S2 is not necessarily a replacement for the current ESP32. We can place it at a position in between the ESP8266 and the ESP32 as it is trying to fill the gap between them performance-wise, feature-wise and price-wise, thus bringing faster and more secure IoT connectivity solutions to the market. That is all folks. If you like this video, smash the subscribe button and ring the bell to be updated about our future video releases.